Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Greg Nibbler from Digital Trends talking about the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Let's take a look at what you get when you open up the box. So right here, we have our main unit. We'll talk about that here in just a second. It also comes with the charging cable and a brush to clean it off when it gets a little dirty. All right, so walking through some of the features of it, it's very easy to use. As you can see, this comes right off. This is where you fill up your tank. That's 1.5 liters that you can put in there. And that 1.5 liters will actually last for about 16 hours. So it's got some good continuous operation use out of it. It'll cover about 250 square feet. So good for a small office or even ideal for a bedroom, which it's really perfect for because it also has some different control settings. One of those being that it comes with a night light. So that's another nice little feature that you can use. It's optional. It's also got an auto shut-off feature, which is another great aspect. So if it gets low on water, it's automatically going to turn off so you can't overuse it. Overall, really easy to use. It has a dual speed mist control. So with that 360-degree nozzle, you can really have it as moist or not as you want. It's overall very simple humidifier to use. It's good quality, and that auto shut-off feature could really save you down the line.
Is dry air making your life uncomfortable? I present to you the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from GENIANI. This tabletop humidifier is the most powerful on the market and humidifies any room twice as fast as others, producing an astounding 300 milliliters of moisture per hour. It features a sleek modern design with a large clear 3-liter tank that lasts for up to 24 hours or 3 nights per filling. You can easily control the direction of the moisture with its 360-degree nozzle and adjust the mist settings to meet your desired comfort zone. This filter-free humidifier works silently with its whisper quiet technology and features a soothing optional nightlight for a better sleep. It also automatically shuts off when the water level is too low or the tank is taken off. When you order the ETL certified ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, you get 24/7 customer support and makes your purchase totally safe. So what are you waiting for? Improve the air quality by ordering your GENIANI ultrasonic cool mist humidifier today.